hiking, part 1. What's this, the start of the trail? You clearly don't know. So these are what it looks like at the beginning of the hike. Hey, turn around for a sec. Alright, this is what they look like. I said like 10 seconds ago. Okay. Mate, great minds think alike. One stack it, please. Now you jump stack it.
Did you get that? Take them. Oh, my fucking knee.
I'm guessing this is the waterfall. Are you coming back? Oh.
Yeah. So I think one of them is little and one of them is little Marley. One of them is little Marley, one of them is Marley.
I think
Marley's this way, little Marley's that way.
Little Marley's that way.
Okay.
Oh, they.
Marley sand dunes, little Marley goes swimming.
Swimming.
Oh, that's good.
How's those shoes? They get the
still
size,
clean.
alright. We have hit a fork in the road. Look. Alright, we'll meet them at the beach.
Go!
Hey!
Good!
Hey! Hey!
We got our old buddy buddy here.
Hey, the bloody yo!
Yo! Hey! Yo!
I'm a one of
My best yet, and my best is yet to come.
5 hours into the hike. We're still looking for the beach.
Come make me get your body.
It's kind of cool.
We should have just gone fucking this way.
Oh yeah.
We
Instead
actually
of
got
going here and
gyps.
then around, we got gyps, dude. Oh! Look! They said go this way. We go that way.
So we left them here.
Yeah.
We went this way, and then we're going this way. They said we could have just gone this way.
I think they're behind you, aren't they?
No, that's them. She fucking. Go right. They told us to go right here.
Oh.
They went left here. So we went down here.
The look of despair.
Alright,
The
we'll
look
just do a
of
lap.
despair.
That's fine. We'll just do a circle.
Well, it's not flying.
Oh, we've seen you at the beach.
Oh yeah. Waterfall?
Hey, waterfall there.
Hey, Rob, not calling the ambulance. No reception. Even if there is, there's no reception.
Edge.
Are there any beaches?
There's a beach right there. I'm looking at this beach.
I did, I think.
That is pretty cool views. Oh yeah. Hey, someone's already started.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, how bad do you feel, Simon?
And this one?
Nice.
Okay,
Yeah, but
Afternoon snack.
Is it a
Look at that. Donuts. What do you have to eat? Oh yeah. What's that? Cheese?
why didn't I buy that?
cheese and bacon.
What do you have?
That's that.
Oh okay. Just leeching off the other people's lunch.
It's all
I carried it.
Alright. Little Marley beach overview. And then you go.